that we have a concept called if-else in basic JavaScript programming, but there's also another, you can say, like, particularly we use this in React or React Native as if and else tester, or you can say a conditional statement. For that purpose, we have a dummy design already. Let's get to that design and let's see that if we could understand this concept. Okay, right now, as I shown in the notes, there's a state which is handling this set password and use state, this one, show password and this state. So by default, its value is true. So that's why we're seeing this password area and bullet, because we have attached this show pass state with this secure text entry. And whenever user clicks on that specific that on press, when he does the click on this I, we get to see that the password secure entry turns on and turns off, right? So how are we achieving this? We just created a very basic function for very basic understanding, that we wrote a very explicit if else, which shows that if show pass is triple equal to true, set show pass is equal to false, and if somehow show pass value is set into false, change it to true. So this function is the one which is responsible to do this. So here we see the basic if else example. Let's say that I want to use that conditional statement example uses question mark and colon. So for that purpose, I have to come here and let's see that. I'll say that if show pass is true, if show pass is true, then it should say I close, and otherwise it should say else, it should say I. So this is what we decided, and I think so I forgot the icon name. Just let me see. It should be I off. Sorry, I off. So here if user presses on this, you'll see that password is being shown and the icon is also being changed from I off to I, and if I click here, it becomes like this. So we can also do this example one more time in the color part. If show pass is equal to true, then make sure the color is red, because it's a dangerous process. Your password is being leaked out, right? And if it isn't, then do not change the color. So now if I do this, it should show like this. Okay, so here we did in reverse. Sorry, let me change that. If password is sure, color X in this, otherwise it should be red. So here. So now when user does this, it says it's red. That means that your password is being leaked out and you're not. So here we can see this super duper conditional statement called colon. So this is how we're gonna use it. Okay, let's do it one more time. Here the conditional statement says question mark and colon. This colon means else statement, that in case show password was false, use false, otherwise use comma, question mark. Okay, so this is how you can use if else using conditional statements of question mark and colon. And this will be the output. Thank you.